Guys, Lick Challenge has officially started. And I'm giving away 20,000 US dollars. Open your mouth.
Yes, people, so in your wagwan, Shenseea is giving away 20,000 US dollars for the Lick Challenge. Don't me know the Lick Challenge, so now we are still, but people, she a go explain it. So it ain't nothing crazy like how it sound, right? I already posted on the community section and missing somebody I say our dance all gone to. But no, I know so it go. You saw me I say I know nothing crazy like that. Only a thing. She a go explain it. See, so we have a few things to talk about, right? Including the Grammys. So the Grammys was supposed to be tonight, January 26th, but now it's cancelled and it's gonna be in April. On April 13th, I think it is. Yes. So people, you know what I mean? Shout out to all the Grammy nominees. You see what I mean? I say, big up all of them. Right? But people, once Shenseea explain how this challenge go and all the requirements and all of that, we are going to talk about our album. Me are going to tell you the name of the album and the release date. Also, we are going to talk about the music video for this song. So without any further ado, here is Shenseea explaining the Lake Challenge.
20,000 US dollars. 10,000 for those on Instagram who get the most likes on their video when I repost it. In order for me to see your video, you have to hashtag Lick Challenge, tag me, Megan Thee Stallion, and anybody else from my team. If you know I'm not seeing a video, you can tag anybody else like Slider, Ramesh, Dizzy, anybody that you know rose closely with me that can tell me to take a look at your video. When I repost, the most likes on my page on whoever's video will win 10,000 US dollars. On TikTok, you have to still hashtag Lick Challenge, tag me and Megan, right? Because when I click that hashtag, that's how I'm going to see a video. I will not be reposting anybody's video on my TikTok, right? Because it's better if you do it on your TikTok. Just make sure that you use Lick Sound when you hashtag, and that's gonna be 10K for whoever has the most views on TikTok. In all, $20,000. So you know, if you're lucky enough and you get the most likes on Instagram, on my page, and get the most views on TikTok, you will not walk away with, you know, $20,000. Is it dancing? It can be dancing. It can be anything. I feel like for girls though, it will be more effective for you to put your back in it, literally. But it's really whatever you want to do, to be honest. I did not try to put any rule on it because I want you guys to be creative, and not everybody can dance like myself. I can't dance for shit. So if you can't dance, do something else. 20 grand USD. Yes, 20,000 USD. And also, Lick merch is now out. So go and buy your Lick merch. The link is on one of my snaps. You can go and click it. Order. Put in your order. Someone said, put up my boom boom. I'm done. Yeah. I see some people are tagging me, but I'm giving until... It's now 6 o'clock where I am. I'm giving you until 8 o'clock to start posting on my page. I'm going to start posting videos at 8 o'clock. Okay? You got to be creative. I better you back out from now. I'm done. Send the link for the merch. It's on one of my snaps. I just posted it, literally. I just posted it. Put your back in it. Anyways, I'm going on the road. Just letting y'all know. Hashtag Lick Challenge, tag me, tag Megan. Boom. Done. On both platforms. Okay. Put your back.
So yes, people, the Lick Challenge has officially started. It started yesterday, and so far, Mr. Shenseea repost less than 10 videos. So no do have a shot if you want to do this. You see what I say? And like she say, you know, have to be, it can be anything. Me see a man play guitar like him is a guitarist, so him play something over it. Me see one other girl, you know, she like she swallow soda them thing there, even though me just try to make it, you know what I mean? Fish explain to you know how, you know what I mean? The videos them one can make and when me see people are make so far. Cause that not really help to say she's a sword swallower with that kind of, you know, I'm left it alone. But people like me and say, you know what I mean, the Lick Challenge is on. Now let's talk about Shenseea's album, people. So the album is scheduled to be released on March 11th of this year, right? And the name of the album is Alpha. So we are look forward to that. Now Shenseea talk about this in an interview on what it was, MTV Fresh Out. Right? But you know say I can't use for them clips, so we have to go check it out over there so if we not see it yet. Right? But she talk about the album and she say every song on the album is different. You know what I mean? This song that we hear, this is the first single with she and Megan Thee Stallion, and she has said no other song that they on it like that. Now, may I assume that, you know, Deserve It is on it too already. You know what I mean? And somebody other sang them. So we kind of have an idea what she has say. You see what I mean? I say? Also, she said she co-direct the video with Megan and she wanted to play with Megan's size because, you know, Megan kind of big compared to Shenseea. So that's why she did the where Megan look like a giant, then she look like a giant. You see what I mean? I say? If we not take notes on the music video, when you see it. So, people, like me say, you know what I mean, Grammys was tonight, it got cancelled. So, you know, we did a look forward to see who are going to win the Grammy and who are going to win Grammy, you know what I mean? So, that now going to go until, you know, April. And also, people, you will talk about Shenseea album, we will talk about the Lick Challenge. It's on. Shenseea is giving away 20,000 US dollars. So, 10 on TikTok and 10 on Instagram. You have to listen over the video if you want to understand what go on and know how you can win that $10,000 or all $20,000. You see what I mean? I say. So other than that, people, you stay safe out there and big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. That's LIG. Atina. Excuse me. That's LIG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.